whispers, your laughter calls my name. And in the shadows, I remember all our games. 1,000 dreams, they dance beneath the stars. Yet in my heart I wonder who you really are. Can we break the distance with a single glance? Your voice is my favorite sound. It's like music in the night. Your smile is my favorite sight. It makes everything feel right. Though the world can seem so wide, and I wishing you were here in every thought, every dream. And I wish you didn't disappear. The night stretch long, filled with our silent fears. When I follow your smile, you lighting up my tears. We are two lost souls, searching only for our own light. But if you close your eyes, you can feel our hearts unite. Time may hide our love, but it will never fade. Your voice is my favorite sound. It's like music in the night. Your smile is my favorite sight. It makes everything feel so right. Though the world keeps us apart, and I'm wishing you were here in every thought, every dream. And I wish you didn't disappear. I wish you didn't disappear. So here I stand, holding on to hope that one day soon our love will help us cope. Thank you.